Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open N26 bank account. So this is an easy guide on how to open a bank account. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for N26 Bank. Then we're going to click on the first link. As you can see, this is their official website. We're going to click on open a free bank account. So we need the app to create an account. So we're going to download it from the App Store or Play Store. So once we open the app, we're going to click on open an account. Then we're going to insert our country of residence. Since they're eligible in certain countries, you guys have to make sure you're eligible for that. So we're going to click on a country where they're eligible or where we're found. Then we're going to click on continue. Then we're going to write our email address. Then again, we're going to click on continue and accept. So now we're going to write our first name, our last name, and our date of birth. Then our gender. Then our country of citizenship. Again, it's preferred if it's the same country. Then our city of birth as well as our country of birth. You guys can choose any of this. For relevance, I chose the same country as my country of residence. Then you're going to create your password. So once you're done with that, you're going to click on create account. So you're going to confirm your email. Then you guys are going to log in. So these are the steps you need to follow to open the account successfully. So once you're done with that, they're going to create an account for you. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.